Check out Lynn. He's ready to go in the snow. Yes, there's a lot of snow out there too, huh? And he's got his puppy with him. His baby Rasta puppy. Yes, let's do this. Oh, look who's ready. Look who's ready to play in the snow. Emily. She's all bundled up. She's got her nice suit on and she's got her blue ribbon rabbit clove. I believe it's Clover. Yes, Clover. Yeah, and we're gonna take her out there and take some pictures. So you wanna see the snow? There's a lot of snow out there. She's wearing her boots. These are suede leather boots. And she's wearing her romper. It's really soft. And it's got embroidery all over the front. So pretty. Yeah, she looks nice and warm and cozy. She's got this hat that has horses. I just thought it looks really cute with the boots. Hey, get out of the way, Bunny. Yes. So let's do this. Let's go out in the snow. This little girl is ready to go out in the snow too. But you need your mittens. Yes, and you need to wear some pants because your legs are gonna freeze. It's too cold out there. It's really cold and the snow is everywhere. Oh, we're outside and it's snowing and here's Lynn and it's freezing and I can't wait to go back in. And I'm gonna show you the snow falling on my driveway. It's so pretty. Look at that's my Volkswagen. Completely covered. Pretty much completely covered. Oh, nice. So pretty. How do you like the snow, man?
When is snow time? He lives at 41. Yeah, right behind there.
Ah, look at Emily. She's playing in the snow with her bunny. She's here outside. Her boots are way deep in the snow. And I think we need to bring you inside so you don't get any more wet. But yes, guys, it's snowing a lot. I'll keep you posted. Stay dry.